everybody. My fault. Will it go out anymore? Okay. I'll try to text you, but if you don't hear me texting in about 30 minutes, please come back. Because it shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes. But you never know, Em. It's starting to get cold up here. Hi guys, welcome to Milgat Farms. As you can see, I'm on top of the roof. We've had an interesting week this week, starting with sickness. Everybody got sick again. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But everybody's been sick, and we're getting ready for Maple Festival. Oh, something just caught my eye. A couple of sheep over there. So we're getting ready for Maple Festival. We're not quite ready. We had a really bad windstorm the other day. Some of the damages included, what you're seeing here. Hot tub cover was blown off. It was a lot of wind. I thought the chicken tractor was going to get flipped again. So before our house guests arrive, and they should be here in about 2 hours, I've got to get this section fixed. And in doing so, I don't have the right shingles. I've got something that looks close, but I don't have exactly them. So I'm going to be working with what is close, try to get it up here. I'm gonna glue them all down with a thing called Through the Roof. If you've never seen this, I'll leave a link in the description. I gotta say, this stuff is absolutely amazing. I love it. I use it anytime I've gotta do stuff like this. It even works in the rain. Now, I'm not sponsored by these guys by any means. Although if they wanted to, I'd like a couple extra tubes, please. I like to keep them in the barn, because you just never know, especially here, what's gonna happen. Here it comes. Stuff is like glue, I'll tell you that. You touch it or you get it on you, it ain't coming off. So what I'm gonna do, I know that these heat strips are, or this, I guess it's a butyl or some kind of, I don't know, you tell me what it is, but it's some kind of adhesive. Once it heats up, it'll stick down. We don't have time to wait. This right here is gonna stick right now. So I'm gonna put a little piece under each one of these to make sure it's holding itself down, and I'm gonna do that with most of them that I'm gonna install. I do love this stuff, guys. It works really well. while I'm up here, I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on the farm. Getting ready for Maple Festival, I'll tell you, has been tough. It really has. The kids have been sick. I got sick last week. My wife is now sick. And get this, the kids are still sick. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Every time I turn around, one of us is getting sick. They've had temperatures of over 104 degrees. I really felt like death warmed over, of course. My temperature wasn't that bad. But I was still kind of out of it for a few days. Make sure that stuff don't come dripping out of there. Yep, that's in. That's in. All right, let's look at that. It's not coming out. We'll use it in a minute. Let me see. All right. We got a big order this week. That was a blessing. Man, it's getting warm too. So we got a big order, and we had some 4-H kids come out yesterday, and they were really helpful getting that all done. That was just a blast to have those young folks here. Let's see what else has been going on. A lot of lambs. We've had more lambs being born, if you can believe that. I'm having trouble believing it, and I'm actually watching it. That ain't gonna work. And you know what? I can go down. Woo! I think I hit the HVAC. That was a bad idea. Down. The one thing that glue does do, it'll hold it in place for me, so I don't have to hold the shingle. That's always helpful. Our roof on this cottage is a 12-12, which means Kevin ain't walking on it. Don't make fun of my hammer neither. Don't I hammer like a girl. There we go. Now, given our winds, these get extra nails. Okay, gotta get another one. No meat on that one now. Gotta text my wife, see if she'll come get me. I just don't think it's gonna work. You look up there, that's the house. That's the girls' pasture. That's Wally and Porter's pasture. That's cow calves. That's a lot of wind, but it was nothing compared to what was the other night. That was absolutely crazy. You can see the barn up there. Up that way is all of our maple trees, guys. We're still getting a little water in, but it's probably gonna end very, very soon if it hasn't already ended yet. You don't really know how much water you're gonna get this time of the year, and at some point it is gonna stop. Can you guys hear? You guys hear the lambs in the barn? When they hear my voice, they make noises. That's Sprightly over there. Here comes Emily down the hill. She's gonna scare me and try to move me. Okay, let me turn around, guys. Sprightly! Come here! Sprightly! You guys see that? Oh, there's people. I wonder if there are guests. Jeff?
Hey, Jeff.
What are you up to? If you can get her in. Guys, that's Jeff and Catherine Ward. They've come to visit Neko. And they're sitting in the driveway. And our guest will be here in a minute, of course. And Emily wasn't wearing a bra. How funny is that? So Emily wasn't wearing a bra. So she had to go to the house to get a bra on. And now I get to get moved over and finished up.
We had less people coming over to our house when we lived in Powhatan.
Yeah. Some things you miss. Oh, I hate this. That's what happened all day.
Oh, that was funny! That made me chuckle.
All right, guys, here we go. Woohoo, that's scary. All right, guys, take a look at that. Looks good from your house, doesn't it? I think it looks okay. I probably should put a screen on that thing. I keep getting birds in there in the summer. It only gets spooky when there's nothing above me. Whoa! Park and brake. So it's been a challenging week for us, and getting videos done and trying to get them up has been just exceedingly difficult. We appreciate you guys' patience in these times and your prayers too. That means a lot to us. Let me show you what we got done yesterday. It's pretty cool. Check it out. This is about 110 cases of syrup. What do you guys think of that? That's a lot of syrup. Let me show you something else that we did that's pretty neat too. You guys know what these are? So you can see they're curing. We'll have them out of here tomorrow. That there is maple candies. We got our candy machine working. We're still working on that recipe, but we're gonna have them ready for Maple Festival. It's next weekend. If you want to try some on, you can go to our website, but it's not there. You can always email us too. We'll have them up on the website here pretty soon. Currently, they're not quite there yet. They are certified organic maple candy. Delicious. Thanks a lot, everybody, for watching our videos. We appreciate the time that you give us. We hope you're enjoying them as much as we enjoy making them for you. Consider giving us a thumbs up, and until next time, God bless you guys.